Get acquainted with the 2019 Toyota Camry. With less than 35,000 miles on this captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel what it's like to drive an overachiever. Our friendly professional team will put you in the driver's seat of this sporty Camry today.